la.
Yeah.
So
really nice, huh?
Yeah. Personally, I cannot tell who won just by watching those rounds. My first feeling will be Julard, but just because I like maybe more the propositions he made with his second one, for example. But it's just a matter of taste, I would say. What about your opinion? What do you think?
Same feeling. Honestly, Epoch is really strong in this battle. He really prepared. We feel that the structure is good. The ideas, the rhythmical ideas is really great. Honestly, Epoch was really great. For me, it's a close battle. Maybe in the venue, the sound of the second round of Julard was very powerful. I think the last drum and bass. And the ideas is not just, for me, it's not just a drum and bass. It's more than this because the structure, the ideas, the placement, how he played with the drum and bass is super nice. But the first round of Julard sounds a little bit too much freestyle. For me, it's close for this one. It's close. And at the same time, the second round of Julard was really powerful and amazing.
Yeah. Here we have, for my first impression will be the both of them have had 2 rounds prepared, so we can see like a nice structure. They worked for this, so those rounds for sure. But for you, how as a judge, if you were a judge, how do you know? How do you differentiate the winner
and the originality of the Well, I think the originality can win. I mean, because what did Julard is really original. We never heard this like this. I mean, and for the judge, it's like the first time we heard the drum and bass like this. And plus, not the sound, the sound first, but the placement of the. I can't do it, but the placement he did is like the first time we heard a drum and bass like this. But at the same time, it's close because some rhythmic of Epoch is really nice too, and we miss something drummer like this. The drum, like the drum. We miss that. So at the same time, I really love the proposition of Epoch.
Does that mean that as a drummer, you have a drummer background? So have you already heard some stuff like this, or
I know about not really with Epoch. I mean, I know one thing is I know Epoch work with Firebras, the beatboxer. So I know that's it's kind of beat because I already work too with Firebras.
Okay.
But it's super interesting to have this in a round because we miss this vibe in a round, and I love drum. So, but maybe for me, Julard for the sensation sounds, maybe because it's really powerful, but not only one sound. It's like 31 minutes. So in the venue, it can be really amazing.
So if I sum up well, you gave the win to the beatboxer who showed like more surprise than for you. Like you were more surprised by Julard beats than Epoch technicity rounds.
Maybe.
All right.
For this battle.
Interesting. So surprise effect, you value it very, very much, right?
Yeah, I think, yeah. And it's not, it's not for every battle because sometimes we know the techniques. We don't judge the same battle as, each battle. I think we judge differently. But for this one, when Julard do this second round, probably I will go with Julard. But maybe the result is 3-2. It's 2-1. I don't know. I don't remember.
Okay.
Can be 2-1 for this one. I don't know.
Let's watch it.
Yeah.
All right.
Ah là là.
I will say 2-1 also.
J'aimerais pas juger ça.
Alexinho
je suis content
votes
de pas
for
juger.
Epoch.
Je suis Max.
Just a guess.
Je suis là, je suis tranquille au micro. Oh là là. C'est bon Alors tous ensemble, parce que là c'est une place en finale. Là on va connaître le finaliste, le premier finaliste. Tous ensemble, ça fait 3.
2-1.
C'est ça, 2-1. Ici, close.
Yeah. And who
vote?
Oh, Kim.
Kim.
For
C'est Kim.
All
Ouais,
right.
c'est close.
Yeah.
You can see it's close. The structure of Epoch, how he controlled the stage too. You know, like he managed the battle a little bit. Like he decide how to say in English. I love that when the beatboxer are really confident and
We
he's
can
not
see.
too on.
Yeah, we can see
you
that.
see it. Yeah, and JULARD is more the position of he answer. He not try, but he
Follow the trend.
Prove that he can win.
How will you say it in French? Maybe I can help you to
No, I don't
clarify.
know in French too. I don't know in French too.
You mean like Epoch, because he starts maybe, he gave like some trend, like tendance, and JULARD has to answer, so maybe it was easier to answer because you're second and...
Exactly. And I think Kim feel that more than ouais. Close.
Yeah, he valued
we
most.
feel it, huh?
Yeah.
Ouais, really great battle from Epoch, huh? Congratulations.
Yeah, agreed.
It's not easy. Not easy versus JULARD, so
yeah,
great.
there's 2 rounds, no, I would say, no critical errors, like no important errors, I would say, mistakes.
Yeah, exactly.
So yeah, congrats Epoch. Do you have like a last advice how he can improve or maximize his chances to win the next battles if he continue like this? Because you talk about originality, is it more about go deeper in your what you like, try to, I don't know, to find new flows, innovative flows that nobody has done before? I don't know. Just suggestions for him.
I don't know, because the problem is JULARD for this battle. You know what I mean? Not only Epoch. The problem now is JULARD. Because we have not example that. But
do you think he put how do you say, the criteria is too high? Like he's very original.
I think JULARD use a good card, because we know about the card of JULARD is the drum and bass round. He used it in the final of the GBB. So for the second round. So imagine we are in the 1-up. So he feel the danger and he put the drum and bass versus Epoch. Interesting, but actually I don't know what can Epoch. No, I think it's good like this because he's powerful too. The rhythm is good. The flow, maybe more lyrics. We miss some lyrics. Something that he can explain, or I don't know, but I miss some lyrics from Epoch. JULARD too at the same time, but yeah, for Epoch I will recommend to put more voice, because he's a good singer too, and he can use this more.
All right, you mean like play more on his strengths, and so people can remind him better?
Yeah, I think we need some lyrics, definitely in the round.
All right, cool.
Yeah,
very nice. Thank you for these feedbacks, and hope it will help you, Epoch, and other beatboxers for sure. Do you want to add something else for this battle? Like a last
let's go for the second semi-final.
Very nice. And I agree, like the standing of the rounds of JULARD is GBB level, so very nice to see that. All right, so that was our analysis of the first semi-final between JULARD and Epoch. If you want to watch the whole video analysis, it will be on our YouTube channel, and otherwise, if you want to watch the battle, it's on the 1-Up Beatbox Battle YouTube channel. Let us know in the comments if you agree with us or not. And if you see another details that we didn't talk about, just let us know and be constructive, please. Thank you. That was Dùj and Alem for this analysis, the first analysis of the semifinal. And see you soon for another analysis. Yes?
Yeah. Bye-bye.